How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
And I'm fine. Also, I'm fine. Thank you. Sit down. In our group today, all are present. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Today, no any is absent. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Now let's check home task. What was your home task for today? What was your home task for today? Exercise 3 and 4 on page 45. Okay. Who else? Who is ready? The first, read the text again and answer the question. Answer the questions of this sentence. The first question: how is the headset connected to the console? Who wants to answer?
It is connected to our console actual this or with and homework coverage.
Okay, very well. The next question: how do our brain get the 3D images? Who wants answer? Who wants answer? The next, yes, David.
It sends two images which appear on a display phone used to on for each area.
Okay, thank you. Very well. The next question: what does the headset follow and why? Who wants answer? Others. Where are your answer? Listen.
The text tracks or mobilities and change what we see on the display.
Okay, thank you very well. The next question: why can't we hear what is happening in the real world? Who wants answer? The first question. I think you can.
There is a covers your eyes and ears completely naked, sure that the real are headphones that block out the noise of the virtual environment.
Is she right? Is she right? Yes, you are right. Sit down. Thank you. The last question: what will make us feel the virtual environment in the future? Who wants answer? David.
In the future, we will also have body suits on sensors that pass on sensations to complete the experience of the virtual environment.
Thank you very much. Sit down. The next exercise 4: match the words involved in the text to the meanings below. The first word: interrupt. Listen.
Interrupt.
Yes. Pictures. Who wants? I think.
Images.
Images. You are right. People at a performance. And others. Where your answer? Students. Listen.
Audience.
Yes. Ground. That would be. Yes. Thank you. Controls. Minute.
Rules.
Is he right?
Rules.
Hands. Sit down. The next, using the body, Guldian.
Physical.
Is she right?
Yes.
Yes. Sit down. The last word, stop. Stop. I think.
Blackout.
Is she right?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Your home task. Next. Look at this photos. What fabulous words are there? Family in this word. What are these?
And
Yes, you are right. Term words is here. Words organic words and non-organic words. Yes, you are right. The next non-organic goods inorganic, Thank you. The next, right, today's our new theme, organic and non-organic wells. Opening exercise book. Today's the 19th of November. New theme, organic and non-organic wells. On page 49. Our learning objectives, it means aim of the lesson. The first aim to identify the types of organic and non-organic wells. The second aim to develop oral communication skills through discussions, debates and presentations on the benefits, challenge and impact of organic and non-organic practices. The last aim to recognize the ability to read and understand organic and non-organic informational texts. Listening for this brainstorming activity.
Pest, pesticide, pesticide.
Organic versus non-organic world. Do you pay attention to where your food comes from? Do you ever buy food from the organic section of the supermarket? Today, we're going to take a look at some of the differences between organic and non-organic food production. In organic food production, biological pesticides such as ladybirds and beetles can help reduce pests in crops. In contrast, non-organic farmers spray chemical pesticides to protect their crops from pests. Biological pesticides are free from harmful chemicals, so you might consider paying a little bit more to know that the food you're eating is safe. Compost is used as fertilizer on organic farms to help crops grow. However, on a non-organic farm, farmers use synthetic fertilizers to increase the growth of plants. On livestock farms, there are major differences too. An organic farmer will use animal feed that is GMO-free and only has organic ingredients. But on a non-organic farm, animals might eat food that contains synthetic substances. Livestock are sometimes given antibiotics to prevent and treat illness, and hormones to make them grow faster on non-organic farms too. The organic farmer has to work hard to make sure livestock have good living conditions in order to prevent disease. Now that you know a little more about the differences between organic and non-organic food production, are you more likely to pay attention to where your food comes from?
Compost.
Okay, what this video? What about this video? Organic well and non-organic well. Thank you very much. And we have to divide it into 3 groups. But before dividing, you choose to color of paper. Yes? Let's start with the students. I give you green color and yellow color.
chemical pesticides and compass.
Is she right? Is she right? Organic food? No. She's wrong. Biological pesticides and compost, food and animal waste and other non-organic food. They are chemical pesticides, GMO, hormones and antibiotics. The last was synthetic fertilizers. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. What do you know about chemical pesticides? I think
Pesticides are chemical compounds that are used to kill pests, include insects, rodents, fungi, and elemental plants. Over 1,000 different pesticides are listed around the world. Pesticides are used in public health to kill diseases.
okay, thank you. I think it out very well. And the next, GMO, genetically modified organism crops. What did you know? Yes, Adib?
Genetic manufacture of plants involves adding unique stage of DNA into the plant's genomic name and distinct characters.
That's all. Sit down, thank you. The next compost, food and animal waste. Down here, you may.
Food waste describes food that is intended for human consumption. That is wasted and consumed through away by a consumer.
Thank you. Very well. The next, biological pesticides, such as legumes and beetles. Who wants? Yes. Again.
Pesticides are different types of chemicals from such natural materials as animals, plants, bacteria, and chemical minerals. For example, corn oil and antibiotic soda have pesticide application and are considered biopesticides.
Thank you very much. The next, hormones and antibiotics. Who else? Yes, you may read it.
Veterinary drugs including antibiotics, growth hormones, and antihumans are used for disease control and growth, formation of livestock animals.
Thank you. Okay, sit down. Thank you, your answer. The last word, synthetic fertilizers. Who wants? Yes. Mohammed.
Synthetic fertilizers are made from common matter. Compounds like ammonium nitrate, ammonium phosphate, and potassium sulfate.
Thank you. Okay. Teamwork. Let's do our teamwork. And scheming methods. In scheming method, I give you a piece of paper. It's your task. You should read the text and answer the questions below, and to tell orally other team. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your team task. I give you a few minutes. Get ready. Let's do our team's work.
approach to agriculture that prioritizes sustainability, environmental health and animal welfare. Instead, it relies on natural methods to maintain soil fertility, control pests, and promote biodiversity. Key aspects of producing organic food include rotation, cover cropping, and the use.
Okay, we did stop it and answer the question below. Who wants?
Explain how organic farming practices such as crop rotation and composting contribute to the sustainability and environmental benefits of practicing organic food.
Yes, Olsun.
Organic farming and managing biodiversity is the populations of natural elements as well as control pests on sites shields, improve natural reservoirs such as water, air, and luxury and transport. Pollinators, which are essential to maintaining a healthy environment as well as tradition.
Okay, thank you. The next, who is ready? Yes.
Consuming organic food offers a range of potential benefits for individuals and the environment. Organic produce is cultivated and genetically modified organisms. Livestock, raised for organic meat, dairy and eggs are treated in a manner that prioritizes their welfare, including access to organic feed and outdoor space.
Okay, read your question.
Primary advantage of easy organic is the reduced exposure to harmful chemicals. The absence of synthetic pesticides means lower pesticide residues on organic fruits and vegetables, potentially reducing health risks associated with pesticide consumption. Organic farming practice also enhances soil health through crop rotation, cover cropping, and natural fertilizers, which can contribute to the nutritional purity of the produce.
Okay, thank you. And the last group, your answer?
Organic refers to agricultural products.
Agriculture.
Products that are produced using methods that prioritize environmental sustainability, avoid synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, and promote animal welfare. These foods are cultivated without the use of genetically modified organisms. Most and the typical involve fractions that enhance soil health and biodiversity. Organic grains and cereals. Organic grains such as rice, wheat, and oats are cultivated without the use of synthetic fertilizers.
Okay, thank you. And read your question.
What are the key characteristics that differentiate organic food from conventionally produced food, and how do these characteristics contribute to the overall goals of organic farming?
Your answer the question.
Продукты с группой in product wood without using synthetic chemicals took aspects in artificial fertilizers, though not use genetically modified components or exposure to eradicate animal environmental sustainability area important resource for organic farmers.
Okay, sit down. Students, I want to ask you, mark yourself. You have to give some substitutions to this group that you like. How can they explain? How can they replace in this part of this text? Okay, let's start with the first topic. Your answer.
I want to give 3 marks for yellow colors because they explain the
Yellow color is your mark. I give mark
for green.
green color. In organic and non-organic, and you may write condition those. Who wants organic wealth? You may write term what? Term what? Can you write? I think you may write is transition zone. Biosphere, ecosystem, flora, fauna, they are non-organic worlds and non-organic worlds. Non-organic worlds. Yes. Olsun. Non-organic worlds. Yeah. Right here. Non-organic. Okay. Organic worlds. What do you know in organic worlds? Flora, fauna, ecosystem. Yeah. Kim yüzünde aldıktan gelin. Lacking the ability or strength to move. Flora and flora. It's mistakes of delete this word. Yeah. And then fauna. Ecosystem. Transition. Please, thank you. You are right. Sit down. Interface. 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 Ecotone. I tell you, here mistake, double E. That's all. Thank you, Atil. Sit down. Grammar future perfect. What did you know about future perfect? Future perfect form will have participle of the main verb, and future perfect continuous form will have been at main verb at ing. What did you know? Future perfect about English product rules, and give me one example. Future perfect. Future perfect. Who wants? Yes? Future.
Will have past.
Will have past.
Particularly for description and
Action.
James did this future.
Future. And Kazakh rule. Қазақша айтады.
Future perfect.
Келер шақ. Future. Perfect. Келер шақ. Yeah. Жоқ. Future perfect. Who wants? Kazakh rule. Ол болсын. Future perfect'ın қазақша ережесі. Ағылшынша айтайын. Future perfect continuous.
It consists the writer of an action.
Kazakh rules. Қазақша ережесі. Who wants? Қазақша ережесін кім айтады? Future perfect continuous'ны қазақшасын кім айтады? Ал, yes, білдім.
Біз белгілі бір уақытқа дейінгі әрекеттің ұзақтығын ерекшелеу үшін болашақ идеалды үздіксіз қолданамыз.
Okay, thank you. Ал, future perfect'ın қазақша ережесін кім айтып береді? Give me example, yes. One example, yes.
I will have been working.
I will have been working. Thank you. Yes. Atil, are you ready?
Being next month, James will have been working at the farm for 5 years.
Okay. Thank you. And exercise 6 on page 53. Right. The first sentence. By the end of the year, who can answer this exercise? Кім жауап береді? Білем.
By the end of the year, you have been living in this house for 10 years.
Yes. The next sentence. The rooftop of the new building, there will be.
The roof of the new building will have converted
Will have converted
into a
garden by the next year. Thank you. The next sentence, Sanjar. Yes, read it.
Sanjar will have worked as a gardener for 20 years by the time he retires.
Retired. Thank you. Your answer is down. The next sentence, I can't meet you at 6 o'clock. Olbolsun.
I will have finished work till then.
Okay. Thank you, Zilla.
Solution food. Shortdagi food.
Chooses by 2050. Okay, thank you. Now, reflection time. What did you understand in today's lesson? What have you learned today's lesson? And what didn't understand on this lesson? Listen. Reflection. Your reflection. What did you understand for this lesson? What have we learned today's lesson? And what didn't understand for this lesson? Reflection. Reflection. I have learned today organic and non-organic worlds. Yes.
I have learned today about and spent and
Information.
information every future perfect.
Future.
Future perfect continuous and I can read it in this thing and read text and formulate what is interesting or tomorrow.
Okay. And we have talked about the organic and non-organic world. We have talked about future and the future perfect and the future perfect continuous. And why I think that you can